the Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Yep, I got some vintage photo all over my hands. Well, that's okay. I'm here for a tip. Now, for those of you that ink your pages like it's on regular paper, I wanted to show you this. Okay? I take a piece of cardstock or whatever and clip my page to it, and then ink up my tool here and just go all the way around and ink my thing. And then when I'm done with that side, I just do the same thing here and just clip this side and continue. Yeah, it will do the page, the back cardstock also, but at least you get your page done without worry. Okay, so that is my tip for today, for Tip Tuesday. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload new content, and when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be kind, be positive, be blessed, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.